Hello guys, hi everyone. Nasi ndakuvigirai imwe video ya Prophet Makandiwa. Vachitaura waya wanga vachitaura. Video iyi kai ine hapana chandiroda kuwedzera kana kutapudza. Ndichakuisirai video iyi. Ndakuisirai video maona. Motaurawo maonero enyu nemafungiro enyu kuma-comments uku. Ndisati ndakuisirai video ndoti kana wanga usati wasubscribe to this channel, please subscribe and click a notification bell. Kitira pandouya nezvinyuwani musadarikirwa zvima latest. Musadarikirwa guys. Saka ndoda kuti mudi muone video ya Prophet Makandiwa. Mozotaurawo maonero enyu. Ndakuudzai kuti inini handisi kuda kutapudza kana kuwedzera. Imi mozotaura mafungiro enyu. Thank you guys. Iona video iyo.
And then you say, Makandiwa, tell me your strength. Why is it that you don't respond? If there is somebody to respond to, I will respond. I will respond. Try, when you want to attack me and you really want me to respond, put some reasoning inside. Show that you are a reasonable person.
Wow.
But if in your criticism I sense the presence of an imbecile, I won't respond. I won't. Because I know that you're just betraying yourself. Had you kept quiet, no one was ever going to know that you're in that state. It's an affliction. What are your members thinking? Knowing that you sit down every time. And I preach for 3-4 hours.
Yes.
Yes, Father.
Yes.
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 And when you quote me word for word, it's an announcement to your people that you have a man that you follow.
Hey.
And I'm at home thinking that, so if I stop preaching, this man doesn't have a ministry.
Exactly.
I am your ministry.
Exactly.
To think that I'm your subject, I'm your topic. You have nothing that you have said about Jesus that people can remember. There is nothing that you have said about Jesus that today,
Yes.
you are not known for saying anything concerning Jesus. You are known for saying something about me. So who is your ministry? You are one of the people that should be bringing me your tithe. You. You can't be having a person following you if he's not your son. Word for word. My critics are following me. And I enjoy that. Oh my God.
They should pay for the content that you're providing for them.
And the good part is that there are people knows that this our pastor is not always reading the Bible.
Yeah.
He is following this man. You are a follower.
Yes.
You are a follower. That's it. If I stop doing what I'm doing, what else are you going to do?